Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Hide app supports a password or lock. Many apps require an internal lock versus system lock. Once open, go straight to Settings and tap Security or Privacy. Make sure you have your current password, PIN, or biometric ready because you'll be asked to authenticate. If a recovery email or phone is required, verify it now. This prevents lockout later. Now that you're authenticated, proceed to the Password Management or Change Password option to begin the change. You'll see Change Password or Set New Lock, tap it. Enter your current password to confirm identity, then type a new strong password. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols and aim for 10+ characters. Once entered, confirm the new password carefully and use the Show toggle to verify. Then enable complementary protections like biometrics or auto-lock timeout to prevent brute force access. Make sure to update any saved devices or trusted locations so the app's hide feature continues to behave as you expect. Save the change and immediately test unlocking the hidden app to confirm success. Try both password and biometric entry if enabled. Once confirmed, update recovery options and record the new password in a secure manager. This avoids permanent lockout. If something goes wrong, forgotten password, or failed biometrics, use the recovery email, SMS code, or the app support flow. If recovery fails, contact app support with proof of account ownership. Do not attempt repeated guesses, since that may trigger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.